Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to the community of TVisions across the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, one of the economic developer in the community of TVisions across the world. Happy New Month to everyone listening to this broadcast. This month of July is indeed going to be your month of greatness. On my short broadcast this afternoon, I want to speak on opportunity. Well, we are grateful to our amiable admin for this wonderful opportunity he has given to every one of us again. Guys, guess what? Of as many who are listening to this broadcast, either you are a member or you're not a member, I want you to know that in life, opportunity is a possibility due to a favorable combination of circumstance. Opportunity, a possibility due to a favorable combination of circumstance. Guess what? Another opportunity is right here again. Opportunity is an occasion or situation that makes it possible for someone to be able to achieve something, to be able to do something, to be able to have something. Another opportunity is here now. 1,000 coins to be given out in this 1,000 TBC promotion. It is not easy to become a billionaire. There is sacrifice to pay. There is price to pay. The price for you to pay now is just for you to pay your administration, that's the program fee, which is the annual program fee. Once you pay your annual program fee, you are qualified to what? To get 1,000 TBC. It is possible to acquire this now. Very, very soon, it will not be easy to even get one single TBC. How much more of acquiring 1,000? The opportunity is right here again now. We have this opportunity now. So don't procrastinate. Don't waste time. Key into this opportunity and acquire on 1,000 TBC coins. Guys, guess what? Very soon we will finish the distribution period of TBC and we enter the full economic. That is when you will know the importance of this great opportunity that you are seeing today. Don't jettison it. Don't trivialize it. Ensure you pay the annual program fee. Guess what? It's a price to pay. Pay the price and acquire the 1,000 TBC coins. Don't procrastinate. This is a rare opportunity. Key into this opportunity now and be better for it. It is a lifetime opportunity. Do that for yourself, your spouse, your children, and they will all bless you for it. So, for as many who have the capability, you can go all out to ensure you get this promo. I wish you all success in life. TBC, Eradicating Poverty, giving voice to the less, giving voice to the voiceless. And what TBC is our birthright. We are changing the economy. We are building an economy from ground up. TBC is our birthright. Come on board and let us change this world for a better place. I love you all. Like this broadcast and share it. Subscribe to it for subsequent updates. God bless you.